Hello, good morning or good afternoon, depending on what time you're watching this video. So, following with our series that we are actually doing right now for the simulation of your income tax return, we're gonna do this time how to add the and simulate the personal one of the personal deductions that you have, which is the main residence house rent. So you're paying like for your flat rent, for your apartment rent, whatever you want to call it. Here in Bizkaia, we have like still we have the deduction. So yeah, we have here with this guy John Carter, and he's paying an annual rent payment amount of 7,200 euros, 600 euros a month. He doesn't have any subsidy. And here is the landlord's information. So, if you haven't actually like seen the previous series, the previous video, sorry, we will put in the description a link to it. Uh, because you will see how it affects to this simulation. So as in the other video, as I said, if you want to go like straight to this link on how to simulate your income tax return in Bizkaia, we recommend for you to go to conta.com/asesoramiento and click on that link. And if you click on this link that says haz una simulación de tu renta Bizkaia, you will be prompted directly to a page where, well, I'm gonna show you. I'm logged in already. In your case, it will be asking for you if you're logged in. Yeah, in this case, is letting me go to this page straight away. So here we are, and just if you have like already a simulation created, you can just click here and go to edit. So yeah, okay, we're back into the simulation. Right now, what we're gonna do is like add this new deduction. So as you can see, we have to pay right now this amount of money. So we're gonna go and add the main residence house rent deduction. So for that, we just have to go here to añadir concepto, which is basically add a new concept to the simulation. We'll click here, and under in this field, we will just type alquiler and choose this one, pago alquiler vivienda habitual, which is basically the main residence house rent payment. So once we're in this section, you can see here that we have this one that says basically where we add the payment, and here we add the landlord's information. So let's add a new record, and here we just need to put the annual rent payment amount, which depending on your case, but in this case it was 600 a month, so it's basically 7,200. All right, and John Carter didn't have any subsidy, so we will just leave it as it is. All right, so just click save, and okay, we have saved this information. So as you can see, the simulator tells us like, hey, you have added a record for this rent deduction, so you will need to fill the another data. So if we click here, you can rather click on this alert or just go back and go straight here. So let's add the record of the landlord's information. As you can see, it only asks for the tax ID, and the name, surname, or the business name, and the amount that you have paid to this landlord. So in this case, we're gonna grab his tax ID, put it here, and here we will add the as it says, surname, and then the name or the business name. In this case, he is Martinez Andueza Ibon. Okay, and in the amount, we will put the same amount that they put before, 7,200. All right. So we will click on save. And yeah, for this one, we have already added this record, so we're good to go. Okay, so right now in these sections, this only applies to the official income tax return, not to the simulator. So you will need to add and attach to your income tax return we have added here, important, attach the payment receipts and the rental agreement. You have to add them. You can download from your bank all the payments that you have done and attach them to the income tax return, or in this case, it's better to add each of the payments than just like in a spreadsheet with all the payments. It's better to just add like each one of them, like the PDF you can download from the bank. And you will have to add the PDF of the rental agreement as well. So yeah, once we are here, we will go back to the main page. As you've seen, the deduction already has applied, and the amount that we have to pay is less than we had to pay before. Same as the other time, you can go to see the PDFs, go to the simulation. Okay, it's blocked. All right. So as you can see, we have the same amount in the profit, the taxable profit that you will save for the income tax return. And here the simulator has already added the deduction that is going to be applied. So if we click here, you will see all the information for the main resident house rent deduction. As you can see here, this is the amount that we have paid. This is the deduction to be applied, which makes this amount. And yeah, we have already the final result with our previous the business activity data, the incomes and expenses, the profit that we got from our activity, and we have added right now the main residence house rent deduction that we still have here in Bizkaia. So as a reminder, don't just sorry about that. Don't just put the information about the deduction. Add also the PDFs and the documentation of your payments, your receipts, and the rental agreement once you have to add this house rent deduction. So yeah, that's all for now. So thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.